Good day, favorites. Welcome back to another episode. All right, today I have a question on the board. This is an electrical circuit of physics. This is an electrical circuit. Determine the potential difference across the load in the diagram above if the ammeter is of negligible internal resistance. It's an objective question. Okay, we are looking for what? Potential difference right here. Now, this is the voltmeter. The voltmeter do what? Measures the amount of potential difference across 2 points in a circuit. So we are looking for the potential difference across the load. This is the load, the resistance. So, according to Ohm's law, V potential difference is equals to what? IR. That means the current flowing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the what? Potential difference, according to Ohm's law. Now, these are our what? Equation to get what? Potential difference. But if we look at this circuit, we can easily simplify this circuit. Because right here, we have a cell. These are two cells. They are parallel to each other. And cells that are parallel to each other will take one. For identical cells, they have to be identical. So for identical cells parallel to each other, we take one. So to simplify the circuit, we have something like this. We pick just a cell straight to the load. Just a cell. Okay, this is ammeter to the load. So we'll pick one, which is 12.5 volts. While this is the load, 30 ohms. And of course, the voltmeter measuring the what? Potential difference. So we have what? Simplified the cell. Okay, we'll pick one for the cell. Then the cell also have what? Internal resistance. The cell also have internal resistance of what? 10 ohms. 10 ohms. And they are parallel to each other. So for resistance in parallel, we'll get the total as the equivalent resistance. R plus what? R. So therefore, resistance in parallel, this is the formula. So this is over 10 plus what? 1 over what? 10. So I have it like this. LCM is 10. This is 1 plus 1. Is equals to what? 2 over what? 10. So I take the inverse. So resistance is equals to what? 10 over what? 2, which is equals to what? 5 ohms. So the equivalent resistance of resistor right here is what? 5 ohms. So therefore, the circuit is well what? Simplified. All right, we are looking for what? The potential difference. Potential difference is what? V equals to what? IR. We have the resistance, which is 30, but we don't have the current. The current. Okay, so we look for current. Now, how do we get the current? From the equation, all over what? R plus what? R. Equation on electromotive force making current subject formula. So we can get current from this equation. When we have what? The internal resistance of the cell. So current is equals to the battery. This is the cell, which is the battery E. This is what? 12.5 over what? I have arrow, that is the what? Resistance on the metallic conductor, which is 30 plus what? The internal resistance, which is what? 5. So this is equals to 12.5 over what? 35. Can easily move the points. So I move the point, I add 0 to it. So therefore, I have 125 over 350. 5 can divide. So 5 going to 125, I have what? 25. 5 going to 350, I have 70. 5 going to 25, I have 5. 5 going to 70, I have 14. So therefore, the current is what? 5 over 14. Let me put it here. Current is equal to 5 over 14 ampere. So this is the ammeter, measures the what? Current flowing through the wire. So now that we have the what? The current. So we have all what? We have the value. So we can now do what? Look for the what? Potential difference. Potential difference is equal to what? I R. So therefore we substitute values. This is 5 over what? 14 times what? R. That is the what? The load, which is times 30. So therefore 2 can divide 30. 2 into 30, this is 15. 2 into 14, this is what? 7. So I have 5 times 15. 5 times 15 is 70 over what? 7. I think. But when we check our option, we don't have it right here. It's written in what? Decimal. So therefore we change it to decimal. This is if we divide, we get 10.7 volts. 10.7 watts volts. So these are answer. It's an objective question. B is the answer. So our answer is what? B. So this is the potential difference across the load, 30 ohms. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this episode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel where you have more of this and get notification for new ones like this. Thank you and God bless you.